Would y'all believe me if I said this was a headband wig? It looks so natural, right? So this is a headband wig from BetterLength. It's in 16 inches and it's in the texture 3C4A. Mine is in a medium cap and they actually customize each wig. So their wigs are always really good quality. To install it, I just braided my hair down and I'm gonna put the headband wig directly over my braids. And the purpose of a headband wig is to just be so effortless. Like, this is something that you can just throw on and be out the door if you have some errands to run. You don't feel like doing your hair, it's raining outside. I absolutely love headband wigs. They are so efficient. So after getting it in place, I'm just wetting the hair and then I'm going to start defining the curls. And y'all, whenever you get a new wig, they pretty much come like, I'm gonna say they come in like their factory settings. Although the curls are really pretty and I can wear it like this, if you take the time to just wet it and like really moisturize the hair, define it, and just finger coil it, it will look so good. And I really feel like this is a step that a lot of people miss. So yeah, this is one of my favorite things to do to curly wigs because that's what really makes it look like it is growing straight from your hair. And this hair has lots of volume, but it was so easy to comb through. As you can see, this brush is just gliding right through it. So I absolutely love that. It just makes the process so much easier. After detangling the hair, I just went in with some more water and then I'm going to moisturize with my Camille Rose. And I have been obsessed with their products lately. Right now I'm using the Guava Slip moisturizer, and as you can see, like as soon as you put it on the hair, it just instantly like adds oil to it and moisturizes it really good. It just brings the hair to life and it keeps the hair moisturized all day. So I'm just running this through the hair, just making sure I get it on the ends. Then to really lock in the curls, I'm going in with the Dew foam, and I love this stuff. This really does bring out the curls. I just love to put it all throughout the hair and it gives you a nice hold without that crunchy feeling. And then after I completely saturate the hair with the foam, I like to go in with the brush again and just kind of define the curls a little more before I start finger coiling. And I know you guys are loving this wig just as much as I am, so I actually have a 72-hour flash code for you guys. I'll have the code down in my description box, so you definitely want to check that out. You will get 15% off your order. And y'all, you definitely want to have a headband wig in your rotation, so definitely check that out. It only lasts for 72 hours after I post this video. After that, it goes to a standard 5% off. So act fast, grab you a headband wig. I love mine, you will love yours too. Alright, so now that I'm done defining the hair with the brush, I'm going to go in to define it even more and do some finger coils. This is one of my favorite steps. I know I keep saying that, but to me, like, all of these steps just really makes the hair come to life, and this is how you're going to get like the best look out of the wigs. Like I said, they already come pretty much curled and you can wear it as is, but if you really want it to look like your natural hair, nice and moisturized and just like a fresh wash and go, like, do these steps, I'm telling you. Also, this 3C4A texture looks so much like my natural hair. I absolutely love this texture. I get it in their clip-ins, in their ponytails, and now in the headband wig, and it never disappoints. And they have a wide variety of different textures, different lengths, different everything. So I love BetterLength. Like, they are really like catered to us. Like, you go on there, you can definitely find some hair that'll match your texture. Alright, so now that I am all done with this side and it is looking so lovely, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, and then I'll catch back up with you guys later on in the video. Alright y'all, we are back and now I am just slicking my edges. One of the last steps that we have to do. We still have a couple more, but we're almost at the end. So I'm just slicking my edges and just tucking it right under the headband wig. And y'all, this all took like 10 minutes tops. Like, it is so easy to style these headband wigs. They're so cute. They look like your natural hair. Like, literally this looks like it's coming out of my scalp. So right now I am just using my diffuser to dry the hair. Now I'm going in with some oil just to make sure that the hair looks nice and smooth and we don't want any frizziness or anything, and just to have it, you know, looking shiny and looking good. And while I'm running the oil through my hair, I like to kind of fluff my hair up a little bit. So you'll see in the next few clips that I'm just gonna be running my fingers through the curls, kind of breaking them up. I really like big hair, so I like to fluff it up. I like to flip my head over and shake the hair up, and you'll definitely see the end results are worth it. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I will catch up with you guys once I finish up this style, and then we're gonna move on to the second style. Here's how this style turned out. I told y'all this don't even look like a headband wig, y'all. This literally looks like natural hair coming out of my scalp. It looks so good. The curls are so pretty. This 3C4A texture is one of my favorites. I love how easy this wig was to put on. Like I said, this took me about 10 minutes. That is it. This wig, you need it, I'm telling you. Now I'm just moving on to another style that you can do with your headband wig. These are super flexible and you can do different things with them. For this style I did a half up half down type of look with a little puff on top, and I think it turned out super cute. For this one I wanted to be a little more fluffy, so although I did just do all of that defining, I am breaking the curls up a little more just so we can have, you know, a different kind of look for my girls that don't really like really tightly defined curls. And I love how this one turned out as well. So cute and effortless. Like I said, you can switch it up, you can do it different ways. These wigs are so efficient. You can just throw it on, be out the door. You don't have to think about your hair. Definitely something to keep in your rotation. I'll have all of the information for this hair in my description box. Definitely check it out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.